Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station. Hello, good afternoon Pesona Inspira. How are you today? Are you happy today? Because of I feels like we still get some euphoria for the Independence Day, and Valia will accompany Pesona Inspira for about 2 p.m. So this today this episode will be special because of Valia is not alone, and as usual I have a 2 and 3 person who accompany Pesona Inspira too, and they come from Sparkle English Learning Space. Hello guys, can you say hello for all Pesona Inspira?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, how are you today?
Great.
Great. You already seems happy too because of we already facing the Independence Day too, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Maybe we have to introduce first, maybe from you, the beautiful one. Okay.
Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Kairin and I'm 13 years old and I'm from SMP Muhammadiyah.
SMP Muhammadiyah. Okay. How long you have been study in Sparkle English Learning Space?
I think it's about 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
So since you was in first grade or maybe third grade in last elementary school.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I feels like you are in the third grade, but you now in second grade, right? Okay. And how about the feelings when you study in Sparkle?
I really enjoyed studying at Sparkle because the teachers are friendly.
Friendly. And how about your feelings today? Because of this is the first time for you to be announcer. I think maybe you feel like some nervous or maybe just excited.
Yeah, I'm both. I'm excited and nervous because this was my first time being here.
Okay. And how about your parents respond about your agenda to announcing in the Persona radio?
I don't know, maybe they're proud of me.
Yeah.
Something.
But they know.
Yeah.
Okay, and I hope all the Persona Inspira and of course Kairin parents can listen
Yes.
this episode. Okay, next I want to listen the next students.
Hello everyone, my name is Keita.
Kita.
I'm 13 years old. I study at Bakti Mulia Junior High School.
Oh, 13 years old. I'm 14 years old, so we just have a 1 year gap.
Yeah, all of us we are at the same age.
Yeah, at the same age. Okay, Kita, how long you have been studying Sparkle?
Almost 1 year, I think.
Almost 1 year. Okay, so this is maybe you have some what is it like experience in study in Sparkle.
It's enjoyable, but the learning is very interactive.
Okay, and how could you can speaking well because of I think your English is pretty good. Do you already fluent before enrollment in Sparkle or maybe you just fluent after enrollment in Sparkle?
Before, I think
Before
Yeah.
taking course in Sparkle, you already can speaking English.
yes.
Oh, that's really good. So you speak English daily life, in daily life.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, that's really good. And okay, I will move to another guest star today.
Yeah.
And this is not a new face because of
Yes.
I think this is not your first time, but this is the first time being a teacher for you, maybe.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Sukirman.
Yeah,
I think Miss Pali already know me.
yeah, of course.
I've joined I Can Speak program before, yeah, when
Mhm.
I was in my 7th semester, I guess.
When you were still a university student.
Yes. So after almost 2 years,
Mhm.
I'm finally back.
Yeah.
And I'm really happy to be here again.
Okay.
Yeah.
And as a teacher, how do you feel to announcing again with your students?
It's of course I feel proud of my students.
Yeah.
and because I can announce together with them.
Hmm?
Yeah. So
Okay.
I really enjoy this.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys. Because of this day is still, we still feels like there are so many euphoria about Independence Day. Maybe you want to say Happy Independence Day for our country. Maybe from Mr. Sukriman first.
Okay. Okay, happy Independence Day for Indonesia. I hope
Mhm.
Indonesia will be better country in the future.
Okay, how about Kairin and Geta? Do you want to say something to for our country?
Yeah, happy Independence Day, Indonesia.
Okay. And then, do you have any? I mean, maybe you have any message for our government in this Independence Day?
Yeah, I hope Indonesia be a better country in the future too,
Mm-mm.
same as Mr. Sudirman.
Okay.
Yeah, we have
okay.
same hope. Yeah.
Okay. How about Geta?
Happy Independence Day, Indonesia.
Mhm.
I hope this country become greater in the future.
Okay, amin ya robbal alamin.
Amin.
Okay, for all Pesona Inspira, I will remind you about I Can Speak. This is the special program for all Pesona Inspira who wants to increasing your speaking skill. So for all Pesona Inspira who wants to join, you can join in 0823 2383 9996. And as usual, we have a special topic in every weeks and every episode. And what's our topic today? Maybe Mr. Sukirman, you can spill the topic.
Today's topic is dreams for future. So we
Mhm.
are going to talk about that.
Okay, it's still related with this Independence Day
Yeah,
because of maybe we have some, what is it, like a dream future?
Yes, we have some hopes.
Some
to-
hopes
yeah.
for
in the
our
future,
country.
yes.
Okay. Okay, Pesona Inspira, after this song and some commercial break, don't go anywhere. Still at 92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station. 92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station. And you still listening I Can Speak program with Valia, Kairin, Gieta, and Mr. Man alias Mr. Sukirman from Sparkle English Learning Space. And today we're gonna talk about dreams for the future. Maybe Kairin, you can give us some reason how this topic to be chosen to talk in this episode. Kairin, do you have any reason maybe, or maybe Mr. Sukirman?
Yeah, because we choose this topic because I guess it's important for us to setting goals.
Mm-mm.
So in the future we will get better life.
Okay, so it's like the first step to get our
Yes.
dreams. So we need to talk about it, right? Because
Yes.
of Kairin and Gita still young like us,
Yeah.
so they need some preparation, maybe.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So for the first question, maybe I want to asking Kairin, how about your, what is it? How about your plans about your future? What do you want to be?
I want to be a filmmaker in the future, and I want to improve my videography skills.
Mhm.
Yeah.
A filmmaker is like a sutradara in Indonesia or
Yeah.
producer.
Yeah, a producer.
Oh, producer. Okay, so you must be rich people too, because it has to be spend too much money, right?
Yeah, I guess.
And of course, you like to watching movie.
Yes.
Okay, what kind of movie that usually you watch?
I usually watch a fantasy movie.
Fantasy movie is like what is it, like Superman, Narnia.
No, it's more like Harry Potter.
Oh, it's more like Harry Potter. Okay. And why do you feel like a filmmaker feels cool for you? Why do you think the filmmaker is cool to be your dream future?
Maybe because we can express our feeling
Mhm.
by that film we make.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you want to express your feelings?
Yes.
Do you want to making some film based on your experience? Okay. That's really good, and I think it's cool too, right,
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah.
Sukirman?
But it's kind of hard actually for me, but it's cool.
It's really
Yeah.
cool. So maybe do you have many? What is it, like inspiration filmmaker,
Yes.
Kairin? Okay. Do you have any some inspirational person?
No, I don't have.
You don't have.
Yes.
Okay. You just think that filmmaker is cool, and I want to making my own film.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How about Geta?
I want to start a business like
Okay.
making a cafe.
Oh, business owner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you choose to be entrepreneur because of you can be a boss. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of cafe do you want to build? Like a cozy cafe or just a cafe who has, what is it, like a spot to take a photo, or what kind of cafe?
A cozy cafe. I think like yes, I want to make a cozy environment for the customer.
Oh, okay. And how many do you want to pull the cafe?
Just one only.
Just one. Okay. Maybe I want give you some, what is it like, some advice. Maybe you can making more dream future. Maybe I mean you can build 10 or maybe 20 cafe in the whole of Indonesia. Oke, bermimpilah setinggi-tingginya gitu ya. Oke, how about Mr. Sukirman? This is to be a teacher. This is a dream future for you, or you have another dream future?
I guess I really hope this will be my dream future, but unfortunately
Hmm?
I still have another dream,
Yeah.
that is having a lot of money.
Okay, so the
Yeah.
first dream is having a lot of money.
Yes.
No matter how you get it,
Yeah.
how the step you think that the money is the real
Yeah.
important.
I think
Okay.
the power of money is really, really great. Yeah.
Even you to be a mafia is
Well, no, it's illegal.
okay. Okay, when we have some dreams future, of course we have to setting the goals, we have a plan, we have to making some, what is it like, a preparation. When I was young, I want to be a TV presenter, but I just watching all the TV presenter in the news, but I never, what is it like, I never taking a course, I never get some preparation for myself, and at the end I cannot be the
Yeah.
TV presenter, and I stuck to be announcer only. And
Yeah.
do you have any setting goals, guys, to reach your to reach your dream future?
Firstly, maybe we need to make what is it? Like a plan.
Mhm.
Yeah. What do you want? What we want to be, and what step we have to do, like that.
Okay, how about Karen? Do you have already making some plans, or maybe setting your goals, or maybe you already have agenda? This day you have to do it, and another day you have to do that, or something.
No, but I really want to follow a course.
Hmm.
Yeah, for a videographer, but I don't know where.
Okay.
Course is.
Okay. How about what is it? Entering the university. Do you have any, what is it like, a dream university that makes you feels like it's more close to get your dreams?
No,
No?
no.
Okay, maybe I can give you some advice. Maybe you can enrollment in universitas, what is it? Universitas di Jakarta ada tuh satu universitas seni yang intinya tuh semuanya tuh banyak kan seniman.
Ah,
What is it the name? I forgot the name. Universitas apa Jakarta gitu. Nanti aku kalau ingat aku kasih tahu deh.
Yeah. Maybe it's too early for Kairin to think about that. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Maybe you can get some networking from the university, so your, what is it, dream future can be true. Okay. How about Kita? Do you have any setting goals, or maybe you just following your step today, just making some simple, what is it like, agenda or planning?
Just like Erin, I don't really have a plan for reaching my future
Hmm?
future dreams.
How about the person? Do you have any inspirational person to be a business owner?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. So maybe you can follow the Sandiaga Uno. Sandiaga Uno is really popular businessman, and he has so many business, and of course he become a rich too after he what is it like, build some a company, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How about Mr. Sukirman? When you already get the money, but
Yeah.
not much as you think,
Yeah.
how do you gonna, what is it? How you gonna, what is it like, melanjutkan cita-citamu gitu?
I will keep my money first.
Ya.
And I will collect my money first, and
Mhm.
then if I've already got much money, then I will think about next step.
Oh, okay. So saving your money first,
Yes.
and then you try to making some another calls when you already collect your money.
Yes, of course.
Okay, that's really good. How about you? What is it like doing? What is it like? Passive income.
Sorry.
Doing some passive income, I think it can be increasing your money too. Do you have any passive income?
No, actually no. This is my main income, being a
Oh.
teacher.
Okay.
Yeah, for just for this time.
Oh, just for this time.
But
Maybe
let's see next future what will be
yeah, maybe
happen.
next year you
Yeah.
have passive income or you have what is it like a freelance a job, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. Before we taking a break, so for our personal Inspira who wants to asking us or maybe just say hello, you can join in chat in 0823 So don't go anywhere. Yes, you still listening. I Can Speak with Valia, Mr. Sukirman, and of course Geta and Kairin in 92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station. And today we're talking about dreams for the future. And before the commercial break, Kairin already said that you want to be a filmmaker. But as a student, do you have any challenges that you already face right now?
I don't have a professional equipment, and sometimes it's hard to balancing my studies with my videographer for
Mhm.
my passion,
Mhm.
and I don't know the right editing or filming techniques sometimes.
Okay, so your challenging moment is about time management and of course the technique, and how to editing and how to making good in a filmmaker. Okay, maybe you need take a course for
Yeah.
that, or maybe you have to what is it like making some connection with the professional one so you can get some learning and practicing from them, right?
Yes.
Okay. How about Geta? Do you have any challenges as a student, it it can be what is it like influencing your dream future?
I think like promiscuity and fear of failure.
Fear of failure. Anyone has that.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Me too. I have insecure and I have some feeling that I cannot be a success person. That's
Mm.
really happen to all person.
Yeah.
And when you can facing it, I think you can do it, and I
Yes.
think you can making your dream more come true. Is there any specific experience that you feel that you think, I really feel failure, I cannot be what is it like a business owner? Do you have any specific experience about your challenge?
Not really, I think.
Not really. Okay, maybe just about making or maybe doing some homework. Okay, how about Mr. Sukirman?
Challenges. I'm not sure because I always enjoy my life.
Oh my
with,
god,
with
it's
all
really
the
happy to
challenges, with
listen.
obstacle that I face.
Okay, how about to be a teacher? Do you have any
Teacher.
challenge?
Yes, of course. When we deal with the students,
Mhm.
it's really challenge for us to
Mhm.
handle them.
Mm?
We need to be patient, and we need to be smart, of course, in front
Mm.
of students.
Mm.
Yeah, that is really challenge for me.
Okay,
Yeah.
and when we have some what is it like a dream future, sometimes we have to facing the what is it many factor that really influencing our dream future too. Do
Yes.
you have any what is it like a factor that can hinder your achievement too?
Maybe laziness. Yeah,
Laziness.
all people feel it.
Yeah,
really.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's really the main problem for us.
Okay, it's related to me too because
Yeah.
of I really love to watching a drama Korea, but sometimes it makes me feel like really lazy,
Yeah.
and I don't want to do anything
Mm.
except watching the drama Korea.
May I ask you a question?
Okay, so okay, what is it?
Is this your future dream job?
No, I have said before that I want to be a TV presenter, but I don't have any connection and I don't know how to present the good news, and I don't take course to be a TV presenter or public speaking. Back then, public speaking is really rare knowledge. So I don't have any idea about public speaking. And then when you want to be a TV presenter, you must be good looking, right? You must be
Yeah.
beautiful, you must be handsome. And I don't think that I'm beautiful enough. So I feels like I don't have any chance to do it. And yeah, today I just finally end up as a announcer, and I feel a bit disappointed, but I try to grateful.
But you look really enjoy this job.
Yeah, because of it still has some relation with the
Yeah.
TV presenter. Well, maybe because of I'm still can what is it like a speaking to all people.
Yes.
Mhm.
So you like speaking in front of people?
50-50. I don't think so. Sometimes I love to speaking to new people, but sometimes I have shy feeling
Yeah.
to what is it like what is it like a four eyes
Yeah.
and sometimes I feels like this is the new challengings and I really want to facing it, and sometimes I feels like yeah, it's really good to do it.
Yeah, I guess everyone will feel that way.
Yeah, of course. Okay. And Karen and Gita, because of your future goals is already set in your mind, do you have any, what is it like, a negative response who coming from your parents or maybe your family? When I was young, I already said to my parents, Dad, I want to be a TV presenter. But my dad, do you know what the response of my dad? They say, udahlah nggak usah mimpi tinggi-tinggi, orang desa mah nggak usah kepikiran yang tinggi-tinggi. It's really hurting myself, but
Yeah.
I'm keeping my dream future. Walaupun saat ini nggak bisa beneran jadi TV presenter, at least aku nggak terlalu jauh gitu ya,
Yes. Yeah.
kemunduran prestasinya
Yeah,
gitu.
yeah.
How about you guys?
Actually, I never tell my parents about my dream.
Okay.
So yeah.
Oh, so they still didn't know about your
Yes.
dreams. Okay. How about the plans to tell your parents about your dream future? Do you have any time that you already set what is it like a date to tell to your parents? Kamu punya rencana nggak? Oh, tanggal segini aku ngomong deh ke orang tuaku, atau abis SMA deh aku ngomongnya gitu. Punya rencana kayak gitu atau enggak?
Yes. Kalau aku udah menang
Mhm.
menang videographer,
Mhm.
kayak gitu,
Mhm.
I will tell my parents.
Okay, so you need to follow some competition in
Yes.
filmmakers first. Okay, how about Geta?
I didn't really tell my parents about my dreams
Okay,
because I feel insecure about it.
but sometimes in your age, your dream future can be changed
Yeah.
because of you still really young,
Yeah.
and maybe your what is it like life journey can still influencing you to change your dream future. Maybe it's good for you to tell to your parents, but it's not bad to not tell to your parents. Yeah, Karen too, and because of someday we can what is it like we can be anyone, we can be any person. So beside filmmaker or beside a business owner, maybe you can be another person too. Sometimes ya kayak aku nih Valia nih ya, aku pengen jadi TV maker, tapi ada juga waktu tertentu yang aku ngerasa kayak aku nggak pengen jadi TV maker deh, aku pengen jadi ibu rumah tangga yang punya usaha sendiri. Kadang juga kayak gitu
Yes,
gitu,
yeah.
mempengaruhi gitu.
Yeah, it always changes. Yeah.
Yeah, it's over changes because of our life experience.
Yeah.
How about you, Miss Sukirma? Do you have any experience like me too?
No, actually, I always follow
Mhm.
what happened
Mm-mm.
in front of me. As long as I feel comfortable with that, so just go.
Okay, so okay, I just remind my brain because of you say that the important future
Yeah.
job is to be a reaching people.
Yes,
So
to be a rich people.
yeah, so no matter how to be,
Yeah.
ya yang penting ngumpulin duit aja
Yes.
gitu ya.
Yeah.
Okay, talking about time management because of Kyron already said about time management. Time management is really essential to start the foundation of reaching your goals, right? And maybe in my what is it, like my childhood, my mother always pushing me to taking a English course and piano course. But I feels like really like feels like what is it, like terpaksa gitu, kayak terpaksa banget ikut kursus bahasa Inggris, terpaksa banget ikut kursus piano. But pada akhirnya finally I found the reason why my mother really pushing me to taking a course because of she wants me to be a piano player
Yeah.
and then to be a success person. But and back then I felt like it's really burden me.
Yeah.
I can really manage my time because of I'm still young, and sometimes I feel really tired after school. I just go to the course and I feels like I'm really overwhelmed with my time management. How about you guys? Kairin or Geta? Anyone? So okay. Pernah nggak ngerasa kayak kamu tuh di hari-harimu sebagai pelajar gitu ya, kayak udah diatur duluan nih sama orang tua nih, harus gini harus gini harus gini, akhirnya ngerasa kayak udah kewalahan duluan, padahal kamu udah punya mimpi lain juga nih selain mimpi yang diharapkan oleh orang tua gitu. Pernah gitu nggak?
When I was a kindergarten, I feel that way too.
Mm-mm.
But now I don't feel that.
Okay, can you tell me about your experience when you're kindergarten?
Yeah, same as you.
Uh,
Yeah, my parents told me to follow English course
mm-mm.
and inline skating course.
Inline skating.
Yes,
Uh-uh.
violinist course,
Okay.
and yeah, that's all.
Okay, and you don't like inline skate?
I like inline skates.
Okay. Oh, because of there are 3 course, so you feels like overwhelmed to what is it like did the 3 course in the same time.
Yes,
Okay. What is it? English course, inline skate, and
violin.
violin. Oh, violin.
Yes.
Oh, that's really good. And how about now? Do you still continue your violin and inline skate course?
Yeah, not the inline skate. I
Oh, no.
just follow the violin.
Violin. So you are good in playing violin.
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay.
You do.
Someday I want to listen how you play the violin. Okay, how about Geta?
I don't really feel forced to do anything because
Mm-mm.
every extracurricular and courses it was my own decision.
Oh,
yeah, it's really
lucky
nice.
you!
Yeah,
Because of
yeah.
your parents, it's really, I mean, it's really depends on your desire, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How about Mr. Sukirman?
I never follow any extracurricular before,
mm.
so I maybe when I went to English Pare,
Mm-hmm.
that was my first time join the course.
Okay, so you don't have any experience to be forced from your parents
No.
to taking some course.
No.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's really lucky.
I
It's
hope
different
so.
between me and you, and of course Gita. But I'm similar with
Yeah.
Kairin.
But
Okay.
at the first time, maybe it's hard for you, but
Mm-mm.
finally you can feel the benefit, right?
I don't think so. Sometimes I feels like, yeah, I'm grateful my mother forced me to take a course, but because of when I facing the course English course with feeling burden,
Mm.
so I don't catching any word in English.
Oh.
I cannot speaking English even
Mm.
I taking a course from elementary school up to senior high school. Karena rasa dipaksa itu ya, jadi kayak nggak melekat itu pelajarannya tuh nggak ada yang terekam, jadi nggak bisa ngomong sama sekali.
Or maybe because you don't like it.
Yeah, because of I don't like it to be forced. And after I get a major and grow up to be an adult, I think that English is really important, and I try
Yeah.
to study at the zero,
Uh,
from the zero.
Yeah, finally you realize it.
Yeah, finally I recognize that
Yeah,
English is really
yeah.
important. But about piano, I don't really like it.
Oh, why?
because I don't feel that I have some art soul in myself. It's really hard to find the right keyword. What is
Ah.
it? The key,
Mm-mm, the
chorus,
note,
the note. Yeah, it's really hard for me.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Oke, Pesona Inspira, karena saat ini kita lagi ngobrolin soal dream for the future. Mungkin Pesona Inspira juga punya cerita ya tentang mimpi di masa depan atau cita-cita masa depan. Boleh berbagi ceritanya di 082323839996. Buat Pesona Inspira yang juga mungkin ngerasa kayak susah nih ngomongnya pakai bahasa Inggris, boleh chatnya dikirim pakai bahasa Indonesia ya. Dan tentunya Pesona Inspira nggak boleh pindah channel. Setelah lagu dan beberapa commercial break berikut ini, kita akan kembali lagi di I Can Speak. Pesona Inspira still with Valia and of course English speaking space from Sparkle. English speaking space. English speaking, where is it? English learning space. I'm
yeah.
sorry. And there are Mr. Sukirman and Geta and Kairin. And today we talk about dreams for the future. And of course, because of Karen and Geta still as a student, maybe I have another question for you guys. Maybe you have experience about the failure. Do you have any experience about the failure? Have you ever failed and when? And please tell me. Karen first or Geta first? Geta, okay.
Yes. I think it was like a few months ago. I got a bad grade in my report, so I feel the disappointment in my parents.
Okay, how about the subject? What is the subject that you get a bad score?
I think almost everything my grade is decrease.
Oh, every subject.
Yeah.
Oh my God. How about the reason why you think that you're, the reason why you get a decreased grade?
Because I think I was being lazy.
Lazy to learn?
Yeah.
Okay, because of maybe you still happy to go out with your friends, or maybe you still like feelings need many time to hang out with your friends.
Yeah. I need more time to hang out with my friends.
Okay, because of you still young, so you need a play time.
Yeah.
Okay, and how about Kairin? Have you ever failed, and maybe do you have any experience about the failure? Experience about the failure, and when? And please tell me.
Yes, I once joined a photography competition, but I didn't win because my editing skills were still basic at that time.
Wow, but it's really good for your experience. I think even you are still loose, but this is the best teacher for you. And might I know about the scale of the competition? Is sekabupaten or national or international tingkat
Kabupaten.
sekabupaten? Okay. How many? What is it like? How many? What is it? Berapa banyak orang yang mendaftar di kompetisi itu?
I don't really know.
Oh, okay. And you just know that you are loose.
Yeah.
Okay. And how about the feelings when you get loose?
I feel a little bit disappointed, of course.
Mm-hmm. And tell me about the film that you already make from that competition.
It's a
Short film.
Yeah.
The story. Well, how about the story?
It's about mom.
Oh, it tells about mom.
Yeah.
Okay. And you, what is it like? Act as a actress, or you still use another person to be an actress?
Use another person.
Okay, so you are directing
Yes.
the film, and you, what is it like? Asking your friends to be a
Yeah.
actress. Okay, that's really good to be your experience. I hope you don't be feels like, I'm really failure. I can be a filmmaker again. I hope this is the first step to you to recognize that I'm still need this. What is it? This knowledge. I'm still need that knowledge. I mean, you have to still learning and learning. How about
Mm.
Mr. Sukirman?
Yeah. When I was in 11th grade,
Mm-mm.
I lost in writing a story competition.
Uh-huh.
Story in Arabic actually. Yeah.
Okay.
because maybe I didn't study enough. That's why I lost to the
So
competition.
you already learned about Arabic too?
Yeah, I can speak Arabic actually.
Oh, can you practice a bit paragraph about Arabic in
Maybe-
Arabic? I mean,
Maybe introduction ya.
okay, it's
Okay.
okay.
Ismi Sukirman,
Yeah.
jitu min Kaliwiro.
Huh?
Yeah, that's all.
How you say I love you in Arabic?
Uhibbuka or uhibbuki. It
Uhibuki.
depends on who.
Oh, okay.
Ka is for a man and ki is for a woman.
Oh, I see. Uhibuka or Uhibuki.
Yes.
Okay, and about the achievement, it's beside the failure, maybe someone has another achievement too. Do you have
Another
any
achievement.
achievement? Do you have any achievement?
When I was in elementary school, maybe I won the competition Cerdas Cermat, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But when I got the second place,
Uh-huh.
I was really sad. I don't know why. I was disappointed. I cried, and I don't want to go to anywhere because of that. So it's my bad time at that time.
Okay, I forgot how. I mean, when you get the Cerdas Cermat, when you
I was
Did the
in
Cerdas Cermat.
elementary school,
elementary school,
Yeah.
in what grade?
6, I guess. Yeah.
Sixth grade, and
Yeah.
you can take a second place. That's really good.
I don't think so because usually I always get the first place.
Oh, okay. So you felt disappointed because of you don't have a first place again. Okay. And I think you still smart because of you can take the second place.
Yeah.
In this is the competition. This competition in a group or personal? On group.
Yes.
How many member?
In a
If
group, we've got 3
Three.
people.
Three
Mm,
people.
mm.
Okay.
What about Miss Valia?
Our achievement, my achievement, or my failure?
All of them.
All of them. Okay, first I wanna tell you about my failure. My failure is about I cannot be a TV presenter,
Oh yeah.
and then my achievement. And 1 year ago, in September month, I get awarding, Alhamdulillah, and I never expected this. And I just try to enroll my biodata, and
Mm.
I send my voice, my sample voice, and my my program, and I get a first winner for the best the best woman announcer, Central Java.
You must be very happy.
Oh, of
Yes.
course, and I never feels like I never feels like it can become true.
Oh,
Aku
yeah.
nggak pernah nyangka ini
Mm.
akan benar-benar kejadian
Yeah.
gitu ya. But when my name said as a winner, I was like, ya Allah, it's
Mm.
really grateful for me. It's the first achievement
Yeah,
I ever
yeah.
had because of in my age. I don't think that I'm still have a chance.
Yeah.
But actually, I have this achievement. Yeah, that's
Mm.
really grateful. Yeah.
What about when you said that you you couldn't be a presenter?
Yeah.
How do you feel at that time?
At the first, I felt like I'm still curious. I'm still have a passion to prove that I can be a TV presenter. But after I'm going to be mature, I felt like maybe this is the best way to not to be a TV presenter, to be an announcer only because of maybe God have another plans.
Yeah.
If I become a TV presenter, maybe I don't meet my husband right now.
Yeah.
Maybe I become a famous, or I cannot really enjoy my life.
Yeah. But do you still want to be a presenter right
Sometimes yes.
now? Yeah.
Sometimes yes. Sometimes I feel curious how I can get this this curiosity. Ya.
Yeah.
Karena masih penasaran aja sih, karena bukan udah nggak kayak cita-cita lagi, udah kayak cuma rasa penasaran bisa enggaknya gitu.
Yeah.
Jadi lebih kayak ngukur diri sendiri,
Yes.
beneran nggak bisanya itu karena nggak punya koneksi dan penampilan atau memang karena aku nggak punya keahlian yang cukup gitu.
So you still want to find out ya?
Yeah, still wants to find out about the reason why I cannot be the TV presenter gitu. Oke, karena kita ngobrolinnya juga udah lumayan banyak ya. Tapi sekarang aku punya pertanyaan lagi nih. When we have a dream future, we need some support system, right? And who is the main your support system? Maybe Kita first.
For me, it's my parents, teachers, and friends.
Okay, for you is parents, teacher, and friends.
Yeah.
And how do you get the support system even when you don't talk about your dreams future?
I think they support me and in everything I do.
Okay, they give you permission about anything you want to do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's really like you because of your parents, not conservative parents.
Yeah, they are really supportive.
Yeah, really supportive. And how about Kairin?
My main support system is my family and friends.
Family and friends.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you curious about me, guys? Who is the main support system?
Your
Of course.
Is it your husband?
No, it's myself. My support system
Oh.
only myself. Because of I feels like I don't have any support from my parents to be a TV presenter and back then I don't I don't met my husband. Di saat itu kan aku belum kenal suamiku ya.
Yeah.
Jadi I'm standing in myself only and so I have to support myself. There's sometimes I feel really tired to support myself.
Yeah.
But sometimes aku ngerasa kayak ya support systemku ya diriku sendiri.
Yeah.
Aku harus memecut diriku sendiri
Yeah.
ya. But I have inspirational person to make me feels like I don't feel alone. Dulu tuh aku bener-bener kayak punya idola satu sosok yang bikin aku kalau kamu capek kamu harus inget dia biar kamu bisa jadi kayak dia gitu. And my inspirational person is Rosiana Silalahi. Do you ever heard about that name? Rosiana
No.
Silalahi is TV presenter that's really famous until now, and now she had already her own program, and now she become what is it like producer, news producer. When you know about Rosiana Silalahi, about the skill of Rosiana Silalahi, you feels like, wow, that's really awesome. She can asking like Najwa Shihab. Anyone knows about Najwa Shihab?
Yeah.
But Rosiana Silalahi is really, what is it like? For me, Rosiana Silalahi is more level up than Najwa Shihab. For me, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Karena kalau Najwa Shihab itu masih kebantu sama nama bapaknya ya.
Yes.
Jadi dia tuh masih ketolongnya itu dengan ada rasa penghormatan atau penghargaan dengan sosok bapaknya. Tapi kalau Rosiana tuh bener-bener dari nol dan bener-bener keren ketika dia masih jadi TV presenter. Sekarang ini sih masih membawakan beberapa berita dan talk show berita yang sedikit hard news gitu ya, jadi produser juga gitu. Tapi aku ngerasa kayak dia tuh masih tetap cool, dan ketika aku nggak punya dukungan dari orang tua, bahkan tuh aku tuh sering ikut audisi jadi model, tau nggak?
Oh, it's really.
I was like I need to be a model first, maybe to get attention, to get a follower, to get people will say that I'm beautiful. Jadi aku tuh kayak mikirnya kayak oke, aku mau ikutan audisi model dulu deh biar dibilang cantik gitu kan. Sometimes I feels like it's really important, but I try it for 3 times to be a models competition, but I always failure.
Yeah.
I always fail, and I just come back to my track to making Rosiana Silalahi as my inspirational people.
Maybe it's your passion, yeah.
Yeah, because of it's my passion. Kayak gitu. Jadi kalau rasanya tuh kayak nggak punya support system tuh susah banget.
Yeah.
Benar-benar harus punya sosok yang diteladani gitu ya, biar nggak cepet capek, biar nggak cepet nyerah kayak
Yes,
gitu.
yeah.
Ya, balik lagi kalian zaman dulu, orang tua zaman dulu tuh pengennya anaknya jadi PNS, tau nggak? Jadi kalian tuh beruntung banget kalau punya orang tua yang membebaskan kalian mau jadi apa aja gitu. Kalau orang tuanya Valia dari dulu tuh udahlah jadi PNS aja, udahlah jadi guru aja. Jadi di mata orang tua zaman dulu, to be a teacher, to be a PNS is the best way to living.
Yeah, same like my mother.
Yeah.
She taught me to be PNS,
Yeah.
but I don't want to be.
Yeah. This day there are too many job and too many apa sih kayak lowongan pekerjaan yang lebih keren daripada itu ya. Dan sometimes ada orang yang nggak bisa terikat dengan aturan-aturan. Kalau
Yes.
jadi PNS kan kita terikat ya, nggak
Yes.
boleh ini, nggak boleh itu, bahkan jam kerjanya juga gitu. Ini kayaknya kita ngobrolnya terlalu jauh, Mr. Sukirman. Kairin sama Geta udah mulai nggak relate gitu ya.
Yeah. Maybe they will get insight for the next future ya.
Iya, mungkin nanti kalian kalau udah jadi orang tua gitu ya, when you already becomes parents, you have to be sportive parents too, so your kids can making decision about their own dream future without feelings like feeling alone.
Yeah.
That's my feelings because okay. Oke, Pesona Inspira, setelah ini Valia dan teman-teman juga akan membagikan kosakata yang mungkin bisa bermanfaat untuk Pesona Inspira ya. Jadi buat Pesona Inspira yang pengen belajar bahasa Inggris, pengen dapetin kata-kata baru, habis ini siapin pensilnya atau bulpennya dan kertasnya, nanti kita akan kasih beberapa kosakata untuk Pesona Inspira. Jadi setelah beberapa lagu dan komersial break berikut ini, jangan kemana-mana, tetap di 92,1 FM. 92,1 FM Radio Pesona, stasiun informasi terbaikmu. Pesona Inspira. Sekarang Pesona Inspira masih dengerin I Can Speak ya, bareng sama Valia dan juga teman-teman dari Sparkle English Learning Space barengan Mr. Man, dan ada Geta dan juga Kairin. Kali ini kita masuk di segmen yang sudah ditunggu-tunggu sama Pesona Inspira, di mana kita akan berbagi kosakata, dan Pesona Inspira silahkan deh boleh nyatet kosakatanya dan langsung aja kita berpindah ke Learn with Pesona. Oke, di Learn with Pesona kali ini kita punya 10 kosakata dan juga akan ada tambahan dari Valia ya. Mungkin ada beberapa kosakata yang akan disampaikan dulu dari siapa nih? Mr. Man ya. Oke. Boleh, ada kata apa aja?
The first word is goal.
Goal,
Yeah.
oke. Artinya?
Artinya ya. The means of goal.
Ya.
Tujuan. Yeah.
Tujuan.
Yes.
Dan gimana tuh kalau mau nulis spellingnya gimana?
In English we spell it like G-O-A-L.
G-O-A-L.
Yeah.
In Indonesia, so you can write in goal gitu ya
Yes.
tulisannya. And the next word?
The next word is achieve.
Achieve.
Yes,
Artinya?
The meaning is mencapai.
Mencapai.
Yes.
Okay. And how about the spelling?
In English we can spell it like A-C-H-I-E-V-E.
A-C-H-I-E-V-E.
yeah.
Oke, kalau di bahasa Indonesia tulisannya ACIV gitu ya.
Yes, betul.
Tapi pakai H gitu C-nya ya.
ACIV.
ACIV. Oke, selanjutnya ada kata apa lagi nih?
Success.
Sukses.
Ya.
Oke,
You can-
artinya sama kayaknya ya.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
In Indonesia it's have the same meaning.
Mm-mm.
And you can in English we can spell it like S-U-C-C-E-S-S.
Oke, double C ya.
And double S also.
And double S of course, tapi double S-nya itu di belakang ya,
Yes.
bukan di depan ya.
Yeah.
Jadi kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia tulisannya tuh sukses.
Yes, success.
C-nya double dan S-nya juga double gitu
Yes.
ya. Oke, selanjutnya ada kata apa lagi nih?
The next word is improve.
Improve.
The
Artinya,
meaning is meningkatkan.
meningkatkan.
Yes.
Oke, artinya meningkatkan. Spellingnya?
In English we can spell it like IMPROVE.
Oke, tulisannya ya improve gitu ya.
Yes.
Oke, selanjutnya ada kosakata apa lagi nih?
The next word is challenge.
Challenge. Oke,
Artinya tantangan.
tantangan. Oke, spellingnya gimana Geta?
In English we spell it like CHILENGE.
Double L? Double L.
Double, yeah.
Oke. So you can repeat Challenges. Oke. Oh, challenge ya. Kalau challenges itu tantangannya banyak gitu ya,
Yes.
jamak ya. Oke, selanjutnya ada kata apa lagi nih?
Plan, artinya rencana.
Rencana, plan. Oke, tulisannya
In English we spell it like PLAN.
PLN. Oke. Tulisan sama yang didengar sama ya kalau
Iya.
plan ya. Benar-benar
Hmm.
tulisannya ya plan gitu, plan gitu ya.
Yeah, yeah.
Selanjutnya apa lagi nih?
Overcome,
Overcome. Oke, apa tuh?
artinya mengatasi.
Mengatasi. Oke. Tulisannya gimana tuh?
In English we spell it like OVERCOME.
Oke, overcome. Jadi kalau tadi Valia ada kata lain, tapi Pesona Inspira bisa kata overcome, bisa pakai kata overcome juga. Selanjutnya ada apa lagi nih?
The next word is proud.
Proud. Ya,
Is bangga.
bangga. Oke, the spelling
Proud.
Proud, proud gitu ya. Selanjutnya ada apa lagi?
Discipline.
Disiplin.
Same as English one. It means discipline.
Disiplin ya, disiplin
Ya.
gitu ya. Cuma tulisannya doang yang beda nih ya. Oke. Kalau disiplin tadi spellingnya gimana?
DISCIPLINE.
Oke, that's right. Jadi tulisannya itu discipline gitu. Selanjutnya
Encourage.
encourage.
It's menyemangati.
Oke.
ENCOURAG.
Oke. Jadi encourage gitu ya.
Yeah.
Encourage tulisannya. Oke. Kalau dari Valia mau nambahin 3 kata. Tadi karena ada kata overcome, tapi Valia selama ini suka pakai katanya facing gitu.
Mhm.
Mungkin Pesona Inspira juga bisa mencatat kata facing ya, tulisannya FAZING gitu ya. Ini juga bisa digunakan untuk kosakata atau untuk mengatakan menghadapi gitu ya.
Yeah.
Jadi selain overcome juga bisa pakai kata facing.
Actually, they are different meanings. Overcome means mengatasi.
Oh, overcome mengatasi.
Yes.
Kalau facing menghadapi
Menghadapi,
gitu ya. Oke. Oke, selanjutnya ada kata failure. Karena tadi kita juga sempat bahas ya tentang failure. Failure itu artinya kegagalan. Mr. Sukirman boleh bantu spelling failure?
Okay. FAILURE.
Oke, failure tulisannya.
Yes.
Selanjutnya ada kosakata ketiga kalau dari Valia, karena tadi Valia juga bolak-balik ngomong inspirational person gitu ya. Jadi Valia mau kasih kata inspirational person, artinya orang yang menginspirasi. Nah, Mr. Sukirman nih panjang nih spellingnya, boleh dong dibantu.
Inspirational person ya.
Ha-ha.
So we need to spell person also.
Yes, of course.
INSPIRATIONAL.
Yes, that's right. That's
Yeah.
for inspirational. And then the person.
PERSON.
Oke, thank you so much. Oke, Pesona Inspira, jadi kurang lebih kita sudah memberikan 13 kosakata iya. Dari Valia 3 dan dari teman-teman ada 10 kosakata. Kapan-kapan Pesona Inspira boleh tuh dipraktekin di rumah ya, di depan kaca atau sama teman. Kalaupun misalkan malu, boleh deh kapan-kapan kirim chatnya pakai bahasa Inggris gitu ya.
Iya.
Dicoba kata-kata yang sudah kita berikan gitu. Dan karena saat ini kita sudah kehabisan waktu nih ya, Mr. Sukirman, Kairin dan juga Geta, mungkin ada closing statement yang ingin disampaikan, mulai dari siapa dulu nih kira-kira?
From me, it's fine.
Oke, it's
Okay.
okay.
Closing statement from me
Mhm.
is setting goals is
Mhm.
important
Oke.
because you will know what you want to do and you must do with that.
Hmm.
So if you have no goals, yeah, I believe your life will not be well directed.
Oh, okay, that's right. It's talking about what is like more have a direction.
Yeah.
Nah, karena memang masa depan itu susah ditebak. Jadi ketika kita punya mimpi masa depan, lebih baiknya ya kita punya setting goals
Yes,
gitu ya, biar lebih
exactly.
terarah
Yes.
gitu. How about Geta and Kairin? Geta first.
My closing statement is: if you ever feel like giving up on
Mhm.
your dreams, think about how much it meant to you. Take a break and seek support.
Okay, that's good. And how about Kairin?
So you guys have to believe in yourselves, stay consistent, and never be afraid to start over. Your goals are possible if you keep moving forward. And for Indonesia, I hope Indonesia stays strong, united, and full of hope.
Okay, that's good. Very cool. And from Valia, because of we still has to celebrate our Independence Day, and today I want to say about my dreams for Indonesia. My dream for Indonesia future is that Indonesia will no longer rely on taxes.
Yeah.
Because that causes hardship for all the society, and the management of natural resources in each region can be improved so that it can continue the progress and prosper. And of course the people must be the top priority. I mean, the government have to making the Indonesian people or the society as the top priority.
Yeah.
Okay, and of course, Valia will say Happy Independence Day for our country and for anyone who still celebrate 17-an. Okay, be happy, and of course, thank you for all the message, and of course, thank you for your coming, guys. Maybe I hope this is not the last time. I hope we
Yeah.
can meet again as announcer someday. And thank you very much for all Pesona Inspira who already listen us up to 2 p.m. And I'm Valia.
I'm Mr. Man.
I'm Kita.
I'm Kairin.
Say goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.